Welcome to Q-risq Analytics. This is the storm surge map. The color shades represent the storm surge that is above sea level. The surge risk level is indicated by the color of the house icon and is based on the amount of storm surge for your registered property. For example, if your registered property has a high surge risk, then there is a high probability that your property will have at least 3 feet of water above ground level. In the white pull-out window to the left, the peak storm surge above ground and the arrival time of the peak storm surge expected at your registered property are displayed. Below that, in the forecast advisory section, you can view the storm's current location, direction of movement, wind speed, and pressure, as well as its distance from your property. To view the track and cone, check the box labeled Track and Cone in the bottom left of the screen. This displays the storm's probable path and strength. The letters shown on certain points of track represents different strengths, which are listed in the current view information in the white window. Thank you for joining us on this Q-risq web app demonstration.